The Star Cement, can you order the one for Deputy Commissioner East Giant Hills? No. This can you order dated 11 September 2020. The whole of Star Cement has been contained from 6 a.m. Nadu Khatway Tarik, September Hajarafo, Hadu Khatsau Tarik, Hajarafo. The Hakani Kapur Kilia Igini contact tracing. Nagilale Igini contact tracing Igay Barkhat. Hakini Gilaisi, the whole campus was put under containment. Naglade igini ka contact tracing ke barkhat kisa one igini ka micro containment. Kumba Drews pa some totally quarter halfway side, another 250 quarters in another side. Then the driver's restroom, the school building, but the own mines office. Kita gede bagi mentak contain ki but bar khat kini bagi lale contact tracing kita hang ni da kita sigini hang ni yo gini kan prefoi mo te ban ong ba kham ka Star Cement ka kham contain ka Star Cement, that is totally wrong kade ka ba ka bam dan jing shisha ni te nadu khatwai tare khadu khatsau tare that particular cement plant was put under containment after the contact tracing was done, because these quarters, the place of work, they are scattered all over different sites. So if you do any containment for the whole area, then the whole area suffers, and they've got many entry points and exit points also. So based on that, from the health department, from the district surveillance unit, along with the district administration, they have limited this containment to these areas where they have done the contact tracing of all the cement plant workers. They have placed them here and they have micro contained this particular area.